Hello everyone, I am Firdaus Faraz, founder Bedrock for AI, which is a premium educational technology company. In this video, I want to introduce you to a fantastic in-depth course in Python programming and artificial intelligence. Also share with you the great news that in the forthcoming months, we are commencing new batches for children across the world. Let me help you understand more about it. First of all, in case you're wondering, why is computer programming even important? Why is AI important for young children? Based on the increasing popularity of coding or computer programming, we have witnessed a lot of graduate and postgraduate students working on mastering their coding skills by joining courses, signing up for certification exams, and so forth. But our focus here at Bedrock for AI is on the children who are in preteen or teenage phase, studying in schools, grade 6 and above. And I want to explain to you why it is important for these young children to work on their programming skills. Also, learn to apply these skills to a strategic technology like artificial intelligence. Programming inculcates skills like logical and creative thinking, problem solving with a fresh perspective. Since if you have had any experience in programming, even expert programmers fail. You try to solve a problem through programming, you fail multiple times, then you think from a first fresh perspective to solve those problems. You require patience and perseverance to solve those problems. So, building these key skills, these are life skills at a young age, is crucial to leading a successful life in future. And talking about artificial intelligence, any field today or in future will be leveraging it. If young children start exploring AI early, they develop a new dimension of thought process. Whatever they are studying at school already, they now understand it practically, especially the math concepts. They learn a lot of formulas and the hows in school, but not many students are really exposed to the whys of it. With this AI course, they actually see the mathematics in action. They actually see how the mathematics is used to analyze data and predict and classify things. They get to understand the practicality of all the concepts like sets, differentiation, calculus, linear algebra, statistics, all of the maths they are already studying in schools. Unfortunately, none of the courses in the market today are doing the required justice in setting up the foundation concept within a child. An ideal course should comprise of a comprehensive curriculum which starts ground up and gradually grows the bedrock of relevant concepts of programming, algorithms, mathematics, data analysis, and data science in the child's brain. This is exactly the purpose of the Python programming and artificial intelligence course available at Bedrock for AI. Also, most of these other companies focus merely on drag and drop, just teaching the syntax part of programming and not really focusing on the best practices of computer programming. They focus a lot on advertising, trying to prove that they can enable young children build flashy applications and games without realizing that for acquiring real expertise in coding, a child first needs to learn how to debug a simple piece of code that is failing. What are the troubleshooting techniques? How do they go about reading the error messages? And what should be the thought process in developing the code in the first place? How are we different? At Bedrock for AI, through our courses, we particularly focus very deeply in setting up the basic foundation of relevant concepts. We do not just teach technology and syntax of a programming language, but there is a proper culture that we are trying to inculcate in students. We teach children to be independent, set up their installation environment by working on open source technologies. We encourage them to do things the right way with proper best practices, design algorithms with identified, well thought through test cases. They learn to debug and troubleshoot logically based on the types of errors a code is running into, and so forth. We help them develop the team spirit. They work in collaboration on small, interesting projects. They are encouraged to ask questions, to not limit their thought process by any course structure, even though there is a course structure that we have as a baseline, but the child is encouraged to ask questions and to research on their own. We schedule extra classes to discuss all these off the course questions, which are quite interesting discussions where the students do their own research, and then we have these knowledge sharing sessions where we not just discuss the specific questions but also all the different aspects that can be researched further on that topic. So how does the course structure of Python programming and artificial intelligence course at Bedrock for AI look like? I would strongly encourage you to check out the YouTube channel and the playlist as visible here to get an idea of how the lectures are. Few of the live classes have been recorded and uploaded on YouTube. There are presentations by students. There are presentations where students have even described what kind of difficulties they faced and what was their thought process in finally solving the problem and coming up with the solution that they did at the end. So the core parts of the course structure are divided into these categories. There are lectures on core concepts of Python language, and then there are fundamental concepts of mathematics. So when I say mathematics, this is different from what is regularly taught at the school syllabus, because here we focus more on where the concepts are applied on a practical level and why these concepts are important in the real world. So they do learn a bit of formulas, but the focus is more on intuitive understanding of the concepts and the practical application. Then there are sessions on understanding the AI concepts through games and experiments, through which they understand how practically the technology is in practice in the world. Then we have Python programming for data analysis, where we extend the understanding of programming through Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Our execution model looks like this. All students are onboarded in Google Classroom. We conduct 2 classes each week with students joining Zoom sessions through their laptops. One session could be 45 to 60 minutes. Concepts are covered, followed by students coding during the sessions. After every session or 2, students get assignments on the Google Classroom, which they work on offline and turn in. Assignments get graded and feedback provided. At times, students work on mini projects in collaboration, which they later present to the entire batch. And we have these discussions outside the regular classes. We also have breakout discussions on topics of interest like computer architecture, hardware concepts, what is internet, and whatnot. It is completely driven by the curiosity of students. A good number of students have been trained at Bedrock for AI over the year 2020. They completed semester 1 of Python programming and artificial intelligence course, and they're now moving on to semester 2. Every semester, students earn a certificate by writing a end semester exam, which is an open book exam where students are given sufficient time to go back and revise the concepts, and all the questions of the exam are created in such a way that there is no possibility of copy paste. They have to understand the concepts to be able to answer the questions in the exam. And for the very same reason, we even record most of the technical content so that students have something to go back to and revise. If the idea of this course sounds exciting to you, then you will feel exhilarated hearing that we have new batches starting in February 2021, also in March and April this year. Not only for students in India, we are initiating batches for students in USA, Europe, and Middle East time zones. If you are interested in exploring further, please contact us at the contact details provided in the video description. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.